And you, how you doing? Lao kun lakap, bin yang ai bang. Lao kun lakap, bin yang ai bang. And of course, if you're a lady of the female persuasion, you're going to change that, right? To ka. Either a falling tone, and since la kun lakap is a question, ladies, you have the option of making that a high tone. So you can either go ka falling or ka high tone. Looking at Lao. Now, Lao, a little nasally. Lao, high tone. Kun, flat tone. La, which I drew out. It's actually not la, it's la with a falling tone. Krap, we know is a high tone. And then, ladies. What's that symbol? Is this the symbol for that medical symbol for ladies? Okay, then Ben is a flat tone. Ben, when it's got this character, this blah, blah, that's a hard BP. So you're always going to want to hit that blah, right? So Ben, it's not bin and it's not pin, it's Ben. That's a flat tone. Speaking of flat tones, yang ai, which splits right here, 2 syllables. Yang ends in an NG, that's a flat tone. And then the next syllable starts with an NG. Ngai, yang ai. 2 flat tones in that. And then bang, falling tone. Bang. So bin yang ai bang. Using krap or ka depends upon who is speaking, not to whom you are speaking. Okay, so if you're a man, you're always going to say krap. And if you're a woman, you're always going to say ka. And if you're a man speaking to a woman, you're still going to say krap. And if you're a woman speaking to a woman or a man, you're still going to say ka. That does not change. Depends upon your sex, whose mouth this is coming out of.
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง
แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง
We'll break this into 2 halves instead of going just straight through the whole thing. La kun la kap is the first half of the sentence, and that means and you. Bin yang ai bang is the second half of this greeting, and it's how you doing? Lao means already. It also means and, or and then, or after that. So in this case, we can see that it means and, because we're saying and you. Lao is high tone, and Lao is a little nasally. So Lao, gin cow Lao, I ate some rice already. By Lao, I've been there already. Pud got puying Lao, I spoke with that girl already. Okay. Kun means you, means Mr., means Mrs., means Miss, whatever. It's your general catch-all title for somebody. La, it's a short la. It's kind of just like a bounce of your tongue, really. It means each, per, or every, and it's a polite word. So what we've done here is lakun lakap is we've made it polite, more polite, by saying la in it. Okay? We could indeed say lakun kap, and that would mean the exact same thing. It would mean and you, lakun kap, but it would not be as polite, and it wouldn't be as pleasant to the ears. Okay? So, la, remember that. It's a nice little polite word. And then, of course, we've got the polite particle there, the krap or ka. The krap being for men, Ka being something that women would say. And since it's a question, ladies, you have the option of using either the falling tone, as we see here, or the high tone. So ka or ka, either one is fine. Ben yang ai bang. Ben means is, or it means to be, which I guess is actually the same word in a sense, right? Yang ai. Yang ai means how, what, anyway, whichever way. Ben yang ai. So is how. Ben yang ai means is how, I guess in this scenario. And then bang, falling tone, bang, some or any. So is how some. Like, I guess, like, how are things going, right? How you doing? Ben yang ai bang. Falling tone on that bang.
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง
แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะคะเป็นยังไงบ้าง
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง แล้วคุณล่ะครับ เป็นยังไงบ้าง
All right, so repeat after me. Quite a sentence, right? So what, 7 words is it? So repeat after me on this. Here we go. Lao kun lakap bin yang ai bang. And ladies, you're substituting ka for krap. Krap. See how I use krap there as a question? Krap. Meaning yes. Lao kun lakap bin yang ai bang. One more. Lao kun lakap bin yang ai bang. So, how would you say, and you, how are you doing?